Hello, just wanted to check your schematic, give you an opportunity to remediate it. I got it to work. I'm going to look and see if your schematics maybe or your wiring is not following your schematic. I noticed it did mention to change the value of the capacitor. Hopefully you did that. But we're going to follow out of the positive side of the power supply, which is right here. And this is your picture here. So if we're coming out of the positive side, we should be going through the selector switch. So I'm going to trace the outside part of the path here. And unfortunately, my mouse disappears. Well, here it is. So I'm going to go around this area here first, and then come back and look at this capacitor next. So let's undo. I guess I can undo that. Oh, maybe not. But anyway, it didn't mess it up enough. So anyway, coming out of our positive, we should be going into the selector switch. And out of the selector switch, we should be going um, to the push button. So yeah, definitely got a problem there. There should be a place where the push button switch, which you've got it going to the positive side of the buzzer, but the other side of the push button switch goes, which is over here on the right, top right. The other side of it goes to the common point between the selector switch and the capacitor. And so that's the problem. You've got the capacitor um, between the switches, and they do, one side does go to a common point, but the other side doesn't go. So yeah, basically you got the wrong setup there. So let me show you what it should have done if I can find the window that has mine. And I tried to lay mine out similarly to what yours was. And oh, that's still your picture. So let me find mine here. This is one of the problems you get when you get too many windows open. So, well, no, I had it set up. I hope I didn't undo it, but if I did, that's all right. We'll redo it. Uh, not that one, not that one, not that one. There it is. No, it's still yours. There's my mail. Um, hmm, okay. I think I must have killed my drawing. I'm gonna go back to your print rather than reset this up, but let you see definitely that you had that wrong and bring that back up one more time. All right, so like I said, definitely got a problem with your schematic um, here. If you followed that pictorial, and we can even go from the negative side of there. And if you notice, the negative side doesn't even go to the switch. So here's the negative side right there, and it doesn't go to either switch, whereas on your drawing it does go to this switch. So definitely got a problem with your wiring. That's why your circuit's not functioning. What should happen is you should be able to charge up this capacitor, turn off the supply voltage to the buzzer using the selector switch, and see the push button actually draw the energy from the capacitor, and it'll beep for about a second and then die out. So try to redo that one if you'd like. I'm going to give you half credit for trying, but I'll give you full credit if you will resubmit.